tika matunda katika mboka kaingi ala mabuba ni makotha kwema kutumia nzila ya ilite kanelele nenganitwe na ndu ithia muimila wa buba ndawesu muno twazeta sukumani ndu izi ziesa muno kwa wingi ni wa buba na une ni wa kwata customer ko ila sukuma ikelele kububwa aimya ingi maitumia nzila ilite kana ila tweza protective measures withia mayekete gloves mayekete maski ona maina ngongos ko wila mabubete no maende na ibuba ndawesi onde ili kanu saingi ona mayesi wailo buba kisebe kili hata iyo kaingi mwe mutu yonge obau kalikwelenge nakeni wabiki
ni muvea maniroba kwange wa Yesu na yendi otondo otabyanekana kilungu chake lini unende ni wavilingi wa mauvo saa 1:30 cia wiyo na saa 3:30 cia wiyo tusonge na mbe. Gavana wa kaunti ya Masaku Mwandu wa Vinyandeti ni watongoesya chathi cha nguthu ya amwika ongala ni wabika chathi niki na tutumia elevot
ainena ivinala watongoesya chathi cha kumina masomo kwambe wa amwika ngili umwe kuma sub county ni sionthe cia Masaku. Gavana wa kaunti ya Masaku Mwandu wa Vinyandeti ni walesekana itambi ni ya kutetheesya muno amwika na alama ulika thini wa walini wa Machakos Youth Service kwiyaka kiukwati na kwithiwa na mituo miailu evindani ukite.
Today we are opening a new chapter. You will transition to your respective vocational training centers where you will be offered specialized training in various areas. And parents, for your information, they will report immediately. Musifikiria munaenda na wao nyumbani. Na mumeambiwa vizuri, hakuna mtu atakwambia ulipie mtoto wako any fees. Yule atakuitisha pesa ujue huyo ni mtapeli. Tunaelewana? Tumejipanga, we are ready to take care of our children. You all pay taxes. You all pay taxes and you must see the value of your taxes.
Ingiju ni waelesekana ngili umwe meitha maidi manensioni sikevudhone sia kiuvundi kukwata mautuika alama ilite na kusomea kosi ila mekwenda vatendivi ona imwe na itina kwisaonewa miyo ya uthukuma na ilovia sia kuambisya biasala.
About 3 weeks ago, the transformation journey of these young men and women began. I am sure each of you has a positive story on how those 3 weeks have changed your lives. It pains me every time I see young people idling on the roadsides and outside shops from morning until evening because they lack a skill that they can make them earn a living. My goal is to gradually end the culture by equipping as many young people with skills that can help them achieve their God-given dream. The 3 weeks boot camp covered numerous critical areas for training, and this included physical exercise. The physical exercise, nimeambiwa mulikuwa mnachapa tizi sawa sawa. Ni kweli? Mulichapa tizi? Yes, the aim was to strengthen both body and mind.
Wala niyo wa Machakos Youth Service ni wakwata mauni commissioner wa kaunti ya Masaku ndumwe na munini wa governor kaunti ya Masaku Francis Mwangangi wala maeleze tambe hii ni utetheesya vanene kwete wali ukunthini wa mathayo mamu ikava kauntini ya Masaku.
During JNC's uprising and demonstrations, instead of you running away, you traversed this county meeting our youth and listening to them. Today, this is an agenda, idea, and a promise that has been attained. Governor amechukua 1,000 na soon atasema huo mradi utaendelea haje. Our development partners na viongozi wote tuungane. Ningefurahia zaidi tungekuwa tunaongea juu ya 10,000 recruits who will be sent to our vocational institutions. Wangekuwa ndio uko hapa, lakini kwa sababu uwezo umefika pale wa 1,000, ingefaa tuombe our development partners waweze kuunga gavana na county government ya Machakos mkono ndio tuendelee this transformation.
These children, we saw them 3 weeks ago. They were totally different people. And as we see them here, we are seeing a new crop of Kenyans. Your Excellency, as in charge of security and the coordinator of national government, I think I'm the happiest. Because these youths today, where would they be? Hawa watoto leo wangekuwa wapi?
Daniel Munkela, Mutongwe TV, kuvanza wa mwaka wa White House, ulawiyeni wa migwani kauntini ya Masako.
Siana ndiwa kuma musini wa kusuvia siana wa mulango ni makwata utethyo wa kuungamiwa masomo mo kimanisoni cha kivundi cha Ithiani kila Kitui Central. Utethyo wa masomo na ula umitende sianza wikwatiwa kutethesya amanyiwa kukwata utwika ula umatethesya unene wo. Mwalimu munene skuluni wa Ithiani Joseph Mutie ni waikithesya asei kana kimanisyo kini kiunenga amanyiwa utwika ula wailite Onesimus Chalo nukuliboti.
Amwe mamanywala methito maye wa nyumbani osuvyo ya Mulango Children's Home Kitui cha kati wa kauntini ya Kitui ni makwata ufadhili na kulika kimanisoni cha kiuvundi cha Ithiani kukwata utwika wa maundu ma kiuvundi kuma nthisianza. Mongami wa osuvyo wa Mulango nola wethito winengane amwe mamanywa nthini wa kimanisyo cha Ithiani nwa wetakana amweka ni mele kuthithwa kulika kimanisoni cha kiuvundi kuongela utwika olotonya kumanenge wiyam.
Tutokete siana ba sigasoma tutsomera jesiana ba miaka 5 na sika benefit Kenya yukala yabika enda technical know-how na nikiri na siana ba ndo kiye kusiona natoka na mweni umwe kuma US lato kiena ke kitata na siana sekuba na hake kwa siana na twasia asia twende kusoma dia siana ndo na CBC lato soma primary school yo ndeelekele maundu ma technical know-how.
Mwalimu munene wa kimanisyo cha Ithiani Joseph Mutie ayathana kunenge amwika utwika wa kuyana no kana kuyendesya kimikalile mamina masomo mo wala wenda si kuthangasya amanywala patana avikisya grade cia kuendea na kisomo cha yulu kulika imanisyo cia kiuvundi no kana kukwata utwika olotonya manenge wiya ivinde vuthu yukite.
Tuisine kana tusasiana kuma class 8 na last year kuna mutiani wa KCPE tuna mwene kwa sana lena na kimutiani last year nina wiki na saa ndi hitu dhidhia alama ya kwenda kusoma ni kanamo ketuma nanga skill tulitu tusomea sana na sikwata mawea asigitethia maisha nemo
mwafadhili masia na ikuma nthi ya Amerika no leta manite na manywa ambi no kimanisyo ki na kenwa wete vindani monenga na hoteli ku ya manywa asu na yo serikali kwesela muthia wake soma nele kwikithi wango cia kimanisyo ki cha kiuvundi ni cia kwaila no kana amanywa ama kwata kisomo kila cha ile na kitono materi mithenya mivotho yukite.
And I'm so pleased to be welcomed into Ithiani Vocational Training Center. And I thank you so much for the excellent training that you are giving the students, especially for those from Mulunga Children's Home, where I come to support and encourage the students and the staff. I thank you for all that you are doing for them to provide opportunities for them to provide for their families and themselves in the future. So thank you so much, and I will pray that God will continue to provide all that you need to operate this school.
Tede vote ya Mlingwa Mova Mutongwe TV. Neto Onesimus Chalo.